All right, so we are back at the house with the pool enclosure, and I just wanted to do a quick follow-up to show you what it looks like when we're done. Sorry I didn't do that in the first video, but here it is now. So obviously there is a significant difference after the initial cleaning. But what we are seeing is some debris in between the double pane glasses, which is not perfect. So here's some of the silt that was left after the first cleaning. It is getting rinsed off. We weren't really sure how it was going to turn out, but as you can see, the glass is clean, the green is gone, and you can see the light. So we're just doing a final rinse right here, getting all the silt and residual mildew and mold that's been killed and removed off the glass, so this homeowner can enjoy this unique area. This is actually a lap pool that's been covered up. So one thing I did notice when I was in here is this trim is looking pretty gross. So I grabbed my pump up sprayer, and it's got about a 1.5% mix in there. And I'm just gonna spray this really gently to clean it, just to do that added little touch for the customer. So we just finished cleaning all of these windows, rinsed the top, cleaned that little panel over there on the outside of the house, and this place looks amazing. Can finally see out of it. Another job in the books. Everything's looking great. Homeowner's happy. He actually even hired us to be his landscape maintenance company. So we signed him up for a year-long contract. If you do right by your customers, they're gonna support you. All right, guys, have a great day. Hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, but most importantly, have a great day.